What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. I wasn't able to get a whole lot of footage from the pre-meet. I was busy talking with everybody, so went ahead and started the video here. I'm gonna throw some footage in for the pre-meet right now, though.
There he is. Thank you. God, I've been looking for you.
You been looking for me?
I've been looking for you, this guy everywhere. Subscribe to Speed Addict.
Appreciate it, guys. Look at that shirt, guys. Look at that shirt. OG Speed Addict shirt.
OG subscriber.
OG.
Right,
guys, if you ain't subscribed to Gear Here 704, go check him out. He's got some really good content.
Appreciate that, bro.
Yes, sir. You going to track tonight?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah, I can't make it tonight. I'm tired. I'm whipping out.
I understand. I understand completely. I understand completely. Alright, so as you can see, packed pre-meet. Everybody showed up, and
T. Hessler's
very
in
nice
the house.
turnout.
Yeah.
T. Hessler is up in the house.
It's a great turnout. Everybody's there. A lot
it
of
was,
cars,
it
a lot of
was.
good camaraderie going on. So.
Exactly. And then we got the man, the myth, the legend, Pony 1992. I want that helmet. I want that helmet. Look at that. Look at that. America. And he's got the mullet. Oh my God. So much America happening. So much America. Look at that. So much America. All right, guys. So he's about to make a pass, and RJ's about to make a pass. So we're going to go up there and catch up with him. Now we got the man in his natural habitat. Achoo! What's up, Boosted?
What's going on?
All right, man. You about ready to let it loose?
About ready to let her eat?
All right, guys. All right, look at this. This man comes prepared from
You told me to come with all safety equipment.
that you need.
I did the best I
Do
could.
you have a cage?
No comment.
All right. He is ready, man. Xander, man is serious.
Yeah.
I like it.
He told me to come with all the safety equipment.
He came to prove a point.
Go ahead. All I know is you drove the damn wheels off of that damn car, dude.
Dude, that bitch left.
You were gone, dude.
I don't know what I shifted at.
All I know is it did good.
Rolling.
So that's your fastest pass, right?
Oh, yeah.
699. Oh, my Lord.
That's only 16 degrees of time.
Yeah.
That ain't even full power.
Who's your tuner?
Daryl Wenger.
There you go. bro?
6'2".
Not
The
bad.
1,460 at
1,460.
116.
You logged it, right?
Yeah.
Mm-mm-mm.
You went a 6'2"? Holy fuck, dude, that's good, man.
Alright, so guys, full disclosure, I haven't been in a manual since the 500 on the drag strip. And run his car and ran a 729. If that throttle wouldn't have hung trying to get it in the fourth, I don't know what's going on, but we'll figure that out. But anyway, 729. So what's your best time in it?
So far, 7.4.
7.4?
Yeah. It's 7.4.96.
Dude, awesome. Awesome. I got this light keeps coming on at dark, and I'll keep blinding people. But 729. I haven't been a manual for years, dude, and it felt so good.
Yeah, man. I knew you let out of it because my mile per hour with my heavy self was 96. Yours was 90.
Yeah, so even coming down pit road, it was idling 3,000 RPM, and I kept whopping it. And so when I went to go into fourth, it went out like I was wide open throttle shifting it, and MT82 locked me out of fourth. But man, I was banging the rest of them gears.
Yep. I'm sorry we didn't. I mean, you got a video of it, right?
They got a video for me.
Cool.
He was the guy in the other lane. He was a 6R80 car.
Show him what you got out running.
Yeah. But okay, let's go look at it.
Man, you gotta see the seats of this thing, man.
Oh my God, this thing is beautiful. Oh my God.
S550 Recaro's in it.
Man. I slept at the light too. I was watching that RPM a little too much to get it right so I can launch his car. Never been in his car. So you got me there. Pop the hood. You got a stall in it?
It does have a stall. It has a Circle D3C.
I got you. There you go.
350 intake. P-Max going there intake.
He's got a Pimus. Pimus.
Got Pimus.
I got a
Pimus.
Hell yeah, man. Hell, you did good yourself. 743.
That's the times it's been doing all
What intake?
that.
That's not an 18 intake.
No,
What
that's
is
the 350.
That's
that?
a 350.
350. Okay. Nice.
That's sweet.
I had the 18. I got rid of it.
I used to have a 14 red GT, man. Loved it. Loved it. You know you got my addiction back for manuals. That one pass.
To the dark side.
That one pass, and I was like, God bless, it's back.
And what a pass it was.
It was on a mission,
And you're
dude.
telling me, I don't know if I remember how to do this. Man, Ken.
Man, you know how long it's been I drove a manual down this drag strip?
Man.
Since I had the 500.
That's a sore subject for me. That hurts
But
my
you was
heart and soul
driving.
that we're talking
Huh?
about.
What driving?
I was driving it.
Great.
She did good. She did good. I want to run it down the track when that throttle doesn't hang in the fourth, and when we go trying to get in the fourth.
Right now.
I almost ran it out in third. I thought I could, but I didn't know how high you rev your car, and I honestly could have ran it all the way out in third.
I think that if we get all of the little bugs, the kinks worked out of it,
I think it
because
is 6'9".
I think you're absolutely right.
I think it's a 6.9 car all day long.
And-
Naturally aspirated.
And I have a lot of
Do a lot of weight reduction.
I have a lot of weight
Mhm.
reduction parts at my house.
Yeah.
So we get the fuel, we get the little bit of fueling issue that's worked out, which is
Take the passenger seat out.
Yep.
I mean, your brakes.
Have
they're
Ken
pretty
jockey.
light. The
The what?
wheels and
Have
tires.
Ken jockey.
The wheels and tires.
I don't know what it is, but every time I get in somebody else's car, it ends up going its best time. I'm not the best driver out there by far, but hey, dude, badass run. Appreciate it, man. Guys, we are here at Ford Takeover in Jackson, Tennessee, and the rain hit, but the rain is gone. Hey, the only way you can have that at a Ford-only event is if I get to drive it.
Idea.
Idea. All right, guys. So, got Daryl's car right there, and then he snuck an Audi up in here. So when we putting a coyote in it?
Can we fit it in there?
I think we can.
Make it fit?
I think we can make it
That's what we
fit.
need to do. If we want to be fast, we gotta have a coyote in it.
Got to, man.
Yeah.
Only for the video.
I do it anyways.
We got Hulk Hogan himself in the house.
That's right, brother. Running wild. Jackson Dradway, brother. Hey, you're a Mustang. We're gonna run wild on all these Mustangs today, brother.
There you go. Woo! She's nasty.
Let's see what it does. Native Voyage, so.
There you go. First time down the track? Uh-oh.
On a track. We're from Chicago, so we do a lot of racing.
Okay, okay.
See what it does.
Should be pretty good. Alright, so unfortunately the moisture kept coming up by the track, especially when the sun came out. It didn't help anything. It's apparently Xander saying it's my fault I brought the rain. I didn't wash my car, so I don't think that's true. But anyway guys, if you came out to the event, thank you. We had an absolute blast out at the event. Even though we couldn't run at the drag strip, we met a lot of cool people, got to hang out with everybody and really enjoyed it. Hey guys, as you can see, it is running. We did get it running. But unfortunately, I couldn't get any runs on the drag strip. I did not have my radios last night with me, and I brought them today to put them on if the conditions were right at the track. Had Daryl here to look at the tune, and everything looks good, so we're ready to go. So hopefully, track gets open next weekend, Friday night. I will have it out here. We'll run this thing, and we'll see what it's going to do. But anyway, guys, I'm going to get out of here. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.